So there is some compound which gives this test, that is haloform test. See here, CH3, this can be converted into iodoform. This is CHOH, and of course nearby there is a methyl group, so this test also given by the haloform test, CHOH. On the both side there is a presence of methyl group, therefore this compound also shows the haloform test. Next is the CHOH CH3. Here is the CH2 CH3. So this test cannot be shown as this molecule is not shown the haloform test, but there is a presence of CH3 neighboring to the CHOH, so this compound shows the test of haloform. So next point we will be started as aldol condensation. ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही शब्दातच बघायचं आहे aldol condensation. Aldol, that is one is the ald and another is ald means aldehydic group and another ol means alcoholic group, means presence of aldehydic and alcoholic group in the same molecule. Okay, so first we have C, the self condensation. Sorry, self condensation, when the two molecule of aldehyde or ketone containing alpha hydrogen are warmed with dilute base, that is NaOH or KOH or sodium carbonate, with sodium carbonate, which gives the beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is aldol, or beta hydroxyketone, that is ketone, is formed. This reaction is called aldol condensation. So we have see its mechanism. The first step, of course, this is acetaldehyde group. So NaOH here is acts as a base which abstract the proton, acidic proton. Here is the CH3, so we can split up it, and base the OH minus, which can abstract this H plus, and formation of enolate ion. Now this is the first molecule of enolate ion. Here we have seen the two molecule of aldehyde or ketone. So second molecule, in the second step, as this enolate molecule which acts as a nucleophilic enolate, and other aldehydic molecule which acts as a electrophilic aldehyde. So there is a nucleophilic attack to this electrophilic carbonyl carbon, and that O minus which we abstract the H plus, and here is the regeneration of the OH group, means again as we here use the base, it regenerated in the last step, and to form the aldol, means there is a aldehydic group and alcoholic group in the same molecule, therefore commonly it is known as aldol, that is 3-hydroxybutane 2-ol, 3-ol. Okay, 3-hydroxybutane 3-ol, sorry, it is 3-hydroxybutanol. Okay, there is aldehydic group. Okay, in the third step, the 3-hydroxybutanol, on heating, the alpha of the hydrogen atom and the beta of the hydroxyl group get eliminated, means there is a dehydration takes place and formation of alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Okay, and its common name is crotonaldehyde and its IUPAC name is butane 2-enol. So undergo these two molecules undergo self condensation to give alpha beta hydroxyaldehyde. This is nothing but aldol condensation. Next, another example, as we will see, that is acetone. Okay, and here is the second molecule of acetone. This is the shortcut way, as if you don't get that step 1 and step 2 and 3, then this is also a shortcut way you can use it. First upon the base, of course, abstract this proton, but I will show here this lone pair of this oxygen atom abstract the H plus ion. So therefore this carbon is forms a nucleophile and attack this electrophilic carbon. So here see the H abstract form a OH and this CH2 attack to this carbon, see here, and form a 4 hydroxy 4 methyl butane pentane 2-one. And same thing, on heating condition the alpha of the hydrogen atom and beta of the hydroxyl group at eliminated to eliminate the water molecule, that is dehydration takes place and form of alpha beta unsaturated ketone, that is its common name is mesithyl oxide and its IUPAC name is 4 methyl pent 3-ene 2-one. In this way you can do some examples. I just give some clues. See here, so this is the nothing but CH3. Okay, so which there is a base should be abstract the alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, सो आता आपल्याला बघायचं की अल्फा हायड्रोजन ॲटम कुठं आहे. सो आता हा आहे अल्फा कार्बन आणि इथं आहे अल्फा कार्बन. ओके, आणि हे जे CH3 आहेत हे सगळे बीटा आहेत, बीटा कार्बन. त्यामुळे जर अल्फा कार्बनला बघितलं तर तिथं एकही हायड्रोजन नाही आहे. त्यामुळे ॲज युजली बेस कुठला ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करेल प्रोटॉन, तर याच CH3चा. ओके, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे की कंपल्सरी की तिथं CH3 ग्रुप किंवा अल्फा हायड्रोजन ॲटम आहे का नाही. ठीक आहे, तरच इथे एक नाही अल्डोल कंडेन्सेशन रिॲक्शन होईल. त्याचप्रकारे इथं आपण हा आहे ॲसिटोफिनोन. इथे सुद्धा बघा की या कार्बनला हायड्रोजन आहे का नाही, अल्फा हायड्रोजन. ओके, तिथं बघितलं तर ऑलरेडी 4 बॉन्ड आहेत, म्हणजे तिथं हायड्रोजन नाही आहे. त्यामुळे इथलाच फक्त आपण अल्फा हायड्रोजन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट करून असे 2 मॉलिक्युल्स घेऊन तुम्ही एकनी प्रोडक्ट लिहायचे आहेत. सेम थिंग, यालाच आपण कॉमनली लॅक्टोन म्हणतो और सायक्लिक ईस्टर. हियर ऑल्सो अल्फा हायड्रोजन ॲटम which abstract and annihilation, after annihilation and using second molecule of cyclic ester to form beta hydroxy esters. So please solve these problems.